Unlocking time. Understanding time on one's hands. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, time on one's hands. Have you ever wondered what it means, where it comes from, or how to use it in everyday conversation? Well, you're in the right place. Let's unfold the mystery of this expression together. Time on one's hands is a phrase that means having more free time than one knows what to do with. It suggests that someone has a lot of spare time and not enough activities or tasks to fill it. This can be due to various reasons, such as taking a break from work, having a light workload, or simply finding oneself in a situation where there are no pressing obligations. Ever wonder where this phrase comes from? While the exact origin is hard to pin down, it's thought to reflect the notion of time being a tangible thing that one can possess or control. In terms of usage, time on one's hands can be found in both formal and informal contexts, though it's more commonly used in casual conversation. It's a versatile phrase that can describe boredom, relaxation, or even the opportunity to pursue hobbies or interests that one usually doesn't have time for. Let's put our phrase into action with some examples. After retiring, Martin found he had too much time on his hands, so he took up painting to keep busy. With the children at summer camp, I suddenly had a lot of time on my hands and decided to start writing a novel. The cancellation of the project meant that the team had some time on their hands to relax and regroup before the next big challenge. To expand your vocabulary, here are a few related phrases. Killing time. Engaging in an activity to make time pass more quickly when one is bored or waiting for something. Free time. Time when one is not working or occupied. Leisure time. Spare time. Similar to free time, it's time available for hobbies and other activities that you enjoy. Having time on one's hands can be a blessing or a curse, depending on how one chooses to use it. Whether you fill your free time with new hobbies, relaxation, or simply taking a moment to breathe, remember that it's a valuable opportunity to explore, learn, and grow. We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing phrase and perhaps inspired you to think about how you spend your own free time. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language together in our next video.